Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Ayush and now in this particular video we are going to learn about the nslookup command. Okay, so basically this command is used to find information about the DNS records. Okay, so previously in the host command we have find the DNS record, so and already we have covered what is the domain name server, it is used to change the domain name to the IP address and vice versa, and also various DNS records CNAME record we have covered, and TXT record, A record, and 4A record we have covered. Okay, so many records we have covered till now, and we will use this nslookup command to get information about these particular records. Okay, so let's start with the first basic one. Just start with google.com. Okay, let me close this caps lock. nslookup google.com. Okay, done. Here you can see the address, that is this is IPv4 address and this is IPv6 address. Okay, so you can what do we say, use this like this also you can use nslookup hyphen type equal to, it means you are just defining the what type of record you want. Okay, it may be a record. Okay, let's search for a record, hyphen type a, and just provide the domain name, and here you will get the address. Okay, so in this case you are getting this. Let me search for another domain name. Let's take some another name. What should we take? I'm not getting. Okay, facebook.com. Okay, so here you can see this is the particular IP address of facebook.com, and this is for google.com. So let me just copy this IP address and paste it in the browser, whether we can access it or not. Let me just paste it here. Okay, I think I'm not copied it. Okay, just copy it, and I will just open up the, okay, here I will paste it. Let's say whether it is accessible or not, google.com with this IP address. Okay, so it is accessible, and similarly we will try for our this one, facebook.com. I don't think it will be accessible, but still let's try. Okay, it's showing not recommended. I will accept the risk. Let's say what happens. Ishq hai to risk hai. I hope you have watched a scam. Okay, so here you can see we are on this facebook.com page. Okay, means we can go on this particular page using IP address. Okay, so moving forward, if you want to get the record of 4A record, like A, and A. Okay, I hope I counted till 5. Okay, so here you can see the version 6, like IPv6 address of facebook.com. Now let's try some another record for another domain. Let me check for a record for some other another domain, like I will go for YouTube. Okay, here you can see the IP address of YouTube. We know it may be accessible or not accessible using IP address. Okay, that particular domain. So now moving forward to the different records, so we will search for the uh, txt record. Okay, let's search for txt hyphen type equal to txt youtube.com. Okay, so here you can see this is the Google site verification, some kind of text is stored. Okay, and if I go with some different domain names like Facebook. Okay, let's check. Okay, these are the texts. Okay, let's check for some another domain also. I will just check for google.com. Okay, here you can see different many texts are present there. Atlassian, one touch domain verification. Okay, many things are there. And now moving forward, let's check for the mx record, that is the mail exchange record. Okay, it is basically we use it to like sending the mail or receiving the mail from from any sender. Okay, so let's use it. I will just change this from type to mx, and this is, you can see the mail exchange, which is smtp.google.com. Okay, we have used this command like for like big giants, so why not to use these commands for the small websites? Like let's take some, let me search it for I will open up Chrome here. I think it will, this Firefox will take much time in this. Okay, we are here. Just search for Linux commands. Okay, so let me take Java T point. Okay, yeah, let me close this. Okay, now I will use Java T point a record, Java T point.com. Okay, so here you can see this is the a record, and here you can see true IP addresses are pointing to the same domain. Let me check. I will just copy this IP address and I will put it in my browser. Let's check what happens, whether it is accessible or not. I don't know why it's not working. Of bidirectional copy paste is not here, I think. Let me enable those settings. Yeah, I think now it should work. Control Shift C. Oh yeah, now it's working. Okay, so here you can see direct IP access is not allowed for Java T point. Let me check the another IP address. It will be, it will throw same error, I think. Let's see what happens. Okay, same thing, like direct IP access is not allowed. So I hope you got it, how you can find the different records using nslookup command. So that's it for today's video, and we'll meet in the next video with some amazing commands. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet in the next one. Thank you.